Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock your iPhone if it's stuck in voiceover mode and you can't swipe or tap properly. Don't worry, I'll make it super easy to follow. Let's get started. So first, if your iPhone is talking back to you whenever you tap on something, that means voiceover is turned on. This feature is made for usually impaired users, but it can make normal navigation tricky if you are not used to it. To unlock your iPhone when voiceover is on, you will see black box around it. That means it's selected. If you are entering your passcode, tap each number once to select it, then double tap to enter it. Once your iPhone is unlocked, here how to turn off voiceover. You will need to tap once to select and then double tap to open each option. Open the settings app. Tap once to select and double tap accessibility. Then tap once to select and double tap voiceover. And finally toggle it off. And that's it. Your phone should be back to normal now. You can also turn off voiceover in easier way. Just ask Siri, say hey Siri, turn off voiceover and Siri will instantly disable it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.